right, we are starting topic 4 in science. So topic 4 is on the climate, okay, which is the weather over a time period. So we're going to start with lesson 1, which is on page 132. So pause and go to page 132. All right, so lesson 1 is on climates. And here is your vocabulary words over here. All right, here we go. How far would you have to go to find a different climate? If you are climbing a mountain, you might not have to go far. According to one climate classification system, Earth has 14 different kinds of climate. 10 of them are on the big island of Hawaii. The east shore of the island is warm and wet all year. As you move west on the island, the road quickly climbs higher. The weather gets drier and cooler as you walk. You are actually hiking up Mauna Kea volcano. The visitor center is 2,800 meters above sea level. The few plants there are very different from those at lower levels. If you hike to the top of Mauna Kea, you will be more than 4,200 meters above sea level. The weather there is always cold and very dry. Walk west and down the mountain, you will find a hot desert. Okay. So, what is one reason that the big island of Hawaii has so many different climate zones? You don't have to write this down, but one reason is that the elevation, I'll write this word down for you. The elevation on the mountain changes, or on the island changes a bunch. So that the elevation is how close or far away something is from the sea level. So if it's 100 feet high, it's 100 feet above sea level. So its elevation is 100 feet. Okay, so because the elevation is very, very different over the island, that's why the climate is very different. Okay, our next page, page 134. Climate characteristics. Can you predict what the weather will be next month or next season? There is no way to know exactly. You might be able to make a good guess, though. We know what weather will most likely be at a certain time and place during each part of the year. Scientists have gathered data that show that weather follows certain patterns. The pattern of weather conditions that occur in a certain area over a long period is called climate. Okay, so the pattern of weather conditions that occur in a certain area over a long period is climate. A climate is usually described as average temperature and precipitation. Not all of Earth has the same climate. Each region of Earth has its own type of climate. Earth's main climate regions are polar, temperate, and tropical. A polar climate is very cold and dry. A temperate climate is mild. It has big differences between the seasons. And a tropical climate is warm throughout the year. Okay, so like in the Bahamas, that would be a tropical climate. Here where we live is a temperate climate because it changes. And like Antarctica is a polar climate. Okay, so here are some pictures of different climates over here, or of the 3 main types of climates. And then you are all done for today.